wanna.
We are working our legs and glutes today. No equipment needed, but if you have dumbbells or resistance band, that's great because I've included weighted alternatives for every exercise. If you are following the whole program, you can find the free day-by-day schedule on my website. And if you are looking for support, join the rest of the community on Discord and use my hashtags on Instagram and YouTube. Smash that like button, leave a comment down below, and let's do this. We've got 20 exercises today, 40 seconds on and 10 to 15 seconds off. You can do this with or without dumbbells and resistance bands. Let's start with squat side leg raise. Start with a squat followed by raising one leg to the side, squat back down and repeat on the other leg. Make sure you're engaging your glutes and your core. And for those using weights, hold a set of dumbbells with your bands above your knees. Seconds rest here, and we're doing a lateral walk followed by a leg raise. For those using weights, hold one dumbbell safely like so while doing lateral walks with your resistance bands. Make sure you have that mind-muscle connection with your glutes. Alright, get on your mat and we've got ankle kick back next. You can use a resistance band over here or ankle weights. Kick your legs upwards diagonally. Make sure you're engaging your glute muscles, keep your back neutral and have that mind-muscle connection. Squeeze your ass.
I'm alright, sometimes I don't know. Watching time fly makes me feel old. Sometimes you move up, sometimes you lose track. But all the ups and downs.
And let's move on to the other leg. Remember to squeeze and focus on those glutes.
You're left out of your own damn house, be on top of the world. Kissing on a girl, so nervous you can feel what it means to be real. You can need your own space, get your own place, but feel so alone when nobody wants to stay. You can finally fall in love, you fit just like a glove, then find out you're not enough, no. Sometimes I'm alright, sometimes I don't know. Watching time fly makes me feel old. Sometimes when I'm high, my mind is so low, wondering why my room is so cold. Sometimes I'm in love, sometimes I fall fast, losing my trust, run from my past. Sometimes you move up, sometimes you lose track, but all the ups and downs that life has.
Nice work guys, stay on your mat and we've got fire hydrants next. Have your knees bent and bring one leg to the side. Engage your glutes and feel that burn.
And I don't understand where I want to go. Looking like I'm feeling high, but I'm still so low. Wish I understood why I am so alone. Got no one to trust, I'm just standing on my own 2 feet. And all these secrets that I keep, wish I could just fall in love, wish I could just fall asleep. Think that I've been hurt enough by some friends I didn't need. As I sit up on this bluff and I smoke a little weed, cause everything doesn't feel the same to me. I'm patiently waiting for the pain to seep out of my skin and into someone gracefully. And maybe then you can finally get a taste of me.
And now onto the other leg. Work that booty guys.
And the world engages and I spend all of my time making something that I hope could finally make some changes. Oh, Sometimes I'm alright, sometimes I don't know. Watching time fly makes me feel old. Sometimes when I'm high, my mind is so low, wondering why my room is so cold. Sometimes I'm in love, sometimes I fall fast, losing my trust, run from my past. Sometimes you move up, sometimes you lose track, but all the ups and downs that life has got me coming right back.
You're doing well, guys. Now if you're using bands, place the band below your knee and we're doing some donkey kick pulse. Do a pulse as you kick up, make sure you're squeezing your butt.
I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. Did it die, yeah. Did it die. Did it die. I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. Did it die. Wait. Did it die. Wait. Did it die. Whatever you want, I'll be whatever.
Now let's work on the other leg.
Whatever it costs, I know I'm talking a lot. There's something I gotta get off. Don't wanna be this no more. I don't wanna drink no more. Always gotta do the most, thinking that I'm insecure. Really should've listened more, but I don't, of course. I'm an asshole, I'm a good guy, I'm your best friend, I'm the worst type. Tell you everything that you heard right, just so I can fuck on the first night. Feel like I'm losing hope, running from coast to coast. I don't know where to go, this all I've ever known. I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. No. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? Wait. Did it die?
Alright, just 2 more exercises on the floor. We've got you raised next. So you're raising your leg vertically, then back down, and then raise it diagonally. Your glutes should be burning right now.
Did it die? Wait. Did it die? My aunt think I'm perfect, I know I'm not. My mama be worried, I told her stop. They know I did drugs and think that I'm off. Little do they know I never could stop. My manager hate when I'm pulling up late. Back on my bullshit, she think it's a phase. I got relations I gotta maintain. I'm 2 different people, my side and my main. Yeah, I'm sober, I'm an addict, I'm a lowlife, I got habits, but I refuse to be average. Really so tired of acting, don't know what I miss no more. Too bad you don't hit me more. I'm bad when I get too bored, careful what you wishing for.
And let's move on to the other leg. Remember to keep that mind-muscle connection and focus on your glutes.
If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. No. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. Won't die. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. Did it die?
Great job, guys. We are halfway through the workout. Stand upright and we've got Curtsy Lunge to reverse lunge. For those using weights, hold 2 dumbbells by your side with your bands above your knees as you do your lunges. Make sure your front knee doesn't pass your toes and engage your glutes and your quads.
I don't know why they keep calling. I'ma pull up in that motion. I fell in love in New Orleans. I don't know why they keep calling me. I don't know why they keep calling. I'ma pull up in that motion. I fell in love in New Orleans. I just fall in love off of drugs. I just fall in love off of drugs. I just fall in love off of drugs. I just fall in love off of drugs.
Let's move on to the other side.
I don't know why they keep calling. I'ma pull up in that motion. I fell in love in New Orleans. I don't know why they keep calling me. I don't know why they keep calling. I'ma pull up in that motion. I fell in love in New Orleans.
Yeah. I don't know why they still sleep, damn. I don't know why they still stalling, ayy. And your girlfriend, she a freak, damn. I don't know what I should call her, ayy. BR, you know that we deep, damn. Please don't approach without caution, ayy. Every time you think of me, damn. Just know that I'm thinking about balling, yeah. Shit ain't the same, yeah. This a parade, damn. You a mistake, you a delay, damn. Happy but late, yeah. You know that it's late. You wish me the best, damn. I know that it's fake. I had a good day, I call me a play, damn. You couldn't relate. I gotta replace.
Slightly longer rest time here. You can take a longer break if you want to, and we have some lateral lunge leg raise next. Sit your hips back as you lunge down and land softly. For those using weights, hold one dumbbell in front of you like so, then lunge sideways with your bands above your knees, then raise your leg. You should be feeling the burn on your glutes.
I just fall in love off of drugs. I just fall in love off of drugs. I just fall in love off of drugs. I don't know why they keep calling. I don't know why they keep calling. I'ma pull up in that motion. I fell in love in New Orleans. I don't know why they keep calling me. I don't know why they keep calling. I'ma pull up in that motion. I fell in love in New Orleans.
Yeah, shorty, you know that you mine. Damn, I cannot get it, nobody. Yeah, I be geeked up in the telly.
And now onto the other side. Focus on your form and feel that burn.
Damn, this your first time out the way, and I'ma put you in that Rari. Damn, zoom, zoom. You could tell me where the roof, like who knew? You could tell me what to do. Say you leave me no drugs. You so rude, and you fuck the whole gang. Is it true? Like Braddock Rowe, free throws, same thing. 2K. We like fucking Wu-Tang, tryna get some cream. You could never trust me, cause drugs still rule everything around me. Notice.
I don't know why they keep calling. I don't know why they keep calling. I'ma pull up in that mood.
Next, we're doing 3 stance squats. For those with weights, you can use 1 or 2 dumbbells. We're doing a narrow squat followed by a regular squat, then a sumo squat. Make sure your glutes is engaged the whole time. Don't let your butt dip.
Fall in love off of drugs. I just fall in love off of drugs. I just fall in love off of drugs. I don't know why they keep calling. I don't know why they keep calling. I'ma pull up in that motion. I fell in love in New Orleans. I don't know why they keep calling me. I don't know why they keep calling. I'ma pull up in that motion. I fell in love in New Orleans.
Nice work, guys. Now we're doing some squat poses. Pose for 5 times, then get up. Your quads and your butt should be burning right now. Keep pushing, just 4 more exercises to go. You can do this.
Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, trying to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get...
Right now, get on your mat and we're doing some frog pumps. Plant your feet together and we're going to do some thrusts upwards. For those with weights, have 1 dumbbell on your hips. Engage those glutes and just keep thrusting.
Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, let me in. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable. Let me in, let me know me, yeah, I got only of that, I'm lonely. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable.
Next, we've got glute bridge abduction. Plant your feet about shoulder width apart as you thrust upwards. Squeeze your glute and do an abduction, then come back down and repeat. Remember that mind-muscle connection, guys. You gotta focus on your glutes.
Yeah, how you can get it back, yeah, cause I ain't never done. I'll be number 1, working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rise just like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won, yeah. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine.
Now get up and we've got single leg deadlift. For those with weights, push your hips back as you lower your dumbbell down and make sure your back stay neutral and core engaged. Your back to neck should form a straight line and make sure you're feeling it in your glutes as well.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, ain't more. Oh yeah, I'm stable. Let me in, you know me, yeah. I got only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah. Sometimes I'm alright, sometimes I don't know. Watching time fly makes me feel old. Sometimes when I'm high, my mind is so low.
Last exercise, let's move on to the other side and finish this workout.
Sometimes I fall fast, losing my trust, run from my past. Sometimes you move up, sometimes you lose track. But all the ups and downs that life has got me coming right back. All the ups and downs that life has got me coming right back. And I don't understand where I want to go. Looking like I'm feeling high, but I'm still so low. Wish I understood why I am so alone. Got no one to trust, I'm just standing on my own 2 feet. And all these secrets that I keep. Wish I could just fall in love, wish I could just fall asleep. Think that I've been hurt enough by some friends I didn't need.
And that's the workout, guys. I hope your booty and your legs are feeling the burn. Smash that like button and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye!